What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. I am just making dinner for the evening. Check out this high protein pasta that I was sent to try by the folks at Yo Mama. Guys, if you check this stuff out, you're going to be absolutely amazed. Like I was the first time I tried it. Because not only does it have a massively increased amount of protein in it compared to typical pastas, I'm not just going to say that it tastes as good as regular pasta. I think it tastes better, guys. Check the link below for all the details. You will not be sorry that you did. Absolutely delicious and incredibly good for you. What more could you ask for? Thank you guys for being here. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time.